everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the gossip quest about too much of a good from the NPC Bob. So first just go meet NPC Bobs at the central square over here, and then just accept the gossip quest. This one, just tap on gossip too much of a good thing, like this. And then just tap on leave it to me. And then in here, you will get the gossip quest to submit the house salad to Bob's, and then submit the blueberry jam to Bob, and then submit the coffee to Bob. So first just go back to your home and then just cook the house salad and then the coffee. Like this, you can just cook the house salad. Like this. And then next just cook coffee. This one. Like this. And then next just go back to NPC Bob's, and then next just submit all the things, house salad, and then blueberry jam, and then coffee, and then just tap on submit, and your gossip quest will be complete like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.